everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. Is your iPad stuck on the recovery mode screen and unable to return to normal no matter what you do? If so, don't worry. In this video, I will teach you how to easily solve this problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart iPad. If you cannot use a computer, you can first try this more efficient method of manually forcing a restart of the iPad. Firstly, quickly press the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. However, if this method does not work, you may consider using a computer to solve the problem. Method 2. Repair iPad using iTunes. Usually, if your iPad is in recovery mode, you can connect it to the computer and open iTunes. At this point, it will display that your iPad needs to be updated or restored. You can choose to restore and continue, waiting for the iPad to download the firmware and restore. However, please note that this will reset your iPad. If you do not want to lose data, I recommend using UltFone iOS system repair, which is a more efficient, safe, and data-preserving method. Method 3. Fix iPad with UltFone iOS system repair. UltFone iOS system repair can exit recovery mode with just one click, without any firmware. It can also fix over 150 iOS system issues without losing data. The download link is provided in the description. To repair your iPad, first connect it to your computer. Launch UltFone, then click Exit Recovery Mode at the bottom left of the interface. Yes, with just one click, you can quickly resolve the issue of your iPad being stuck in recovery mode. The operation is very simple, efficient, and safe. Method 4. Repair iOS system. If you are still encountering other issues, you can also consider using UltFone's system repair feature, which will not cause any data loss. Return to UltFone, click the green Starts button, select Standard Mode, and then click the green button to continue. UltFone will fetch the latest firmware for your iPad, and you can choose a location to save the firmware. Once confirmed, click Download to proceed. After the download is complete, click the Start Standard Repair button. The iPad repair process usually takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient and keep the iPad connected. When you see Standard Repair completed, it means your iPad has been successfully repaired. This is today's tutorial on how to fix an iPad stuck in recovery mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and save it. I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.